Hello and welcome to another update video about one of my favorite metaverse projects, Bloktopia. So yesterday we talked about this potential move here to the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which I think we've completed. So we might be in an ABC correction, which might take us, we might currently have seen that, let me just put on the chart, we might have seen that ABC play out here, what A, B potentially within which we currently, and then we could come down a little bit lower in a C correction, from which then we could potentially move up higher. Key support here is a 7.7 cent level in my view, and from there we could go up higher. Looking at the Fib levels of that latest move here, we can see that we are currently retracing to the 0.382 level, or we did that at around 8 cents. So from here we're now going up higher again and could then come down maybe to the golden pocket at 7.2 cents again before we continue our move up in another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern, which then could again help us above the 20-day moving average, which is currently sitting at around 8.7 cents. You can actually see that we're currently finding resistance here just below this 20-day moving average. So we try to get it above in this candle. This is basically the 4-hour chart. Today already we tried to break above it. We failed. And yeah, but we're coining up again. So maybe, if that doesn't play out as an ABC, to be honest, I'm all right with that. I'd like to see higher prices. It's looking a bit like a bull flag here. So overall, if you take that, looking a bit like a bullish pennant. Yeah, maybe not a bull flag, rather a pennant. In the end, it doesn't make it a big difference. Pennant would be a symmetrical triangle here on top of that flagpole. So if we take, and that again, that is not to be seen as very, very accurate, but let's just take here that flagpole and add it to a potential breakout point. Let's just say the breakout point will be here at the apex. To be honest, that's a bit of speculation because you don't know when the breakout happens. And also, as I said before, in the crypto markets, because prices are so dynamic, oftentimes these price targets of the patterns themselves, they oftentimes don't play out necessarily. The fibs are more accurate, but this one here would take us actually to one of the fib levels here at 11.3 cents, the 0.5 fib level of that major wave here. Yeah, if I zoom out, you can see that. That'd be positive. I'd be happy with that, definitely. I think most of you are as well. Key support or key resistance level actually that I mentioned yesterday in the video is the 10 cent level. We need to get above the 10 cent level. That is also here the pretty much 9.9 cents. It's the golden pocket, the 0.618 fib level. Did mention it before. The golden pocket is the golden ratio. That's pretty much the Fibonacci retracement level, to which in a retracement most prices are pulled to. It just happens, that's what most people adhere to as well. And in the end, because most people believe in fib levels, it's like a self-fulfilling prophecy. However, you find them in all areas of life, and yeah, I find that quite impressive. Nevertheless, yeah, we've climbed above that fib level here. We've dropped below it, found support down here, climbed above that fib level at 7.7 cents. So that's key support now. That is key support. Obviously, that here down here at 6 cents has become key support as well. But now the 7.7 is our immediate support. Hopefully, we climb up higher from here. I think the indicators allow us that now, so we can take a look at that. Key resistance is 10 cents. If we break above 10 cents, next key resistance would be that 11.3, 11.4 cent level. Then we've got 12.8 cents, which is the next fib level. But to be honest, we need to get there first. First of all, we need to get above the 20-day moving average. Let's take a look at some of the indicators. Start on the weekly here. The weekly still doesn't have an RSI really that we can take a look at because the price history is just too short. So we go to the daily. On the daily, we can see that we have come out of the overbought range. I did mention that before, and we actually found support at the 50 line. So we're still in the bullish range, which is positive. What you need to understand, after such a pump that we've seen, there is, you never know when it's going to stop, but obviously when you're overbought like that throughout, from the beginning of the release of these tokens and on KuCoin especially, was overbought all the time. Now then it dropped and is now, still in the bullish range, but not overbought anymore, which is positive, which sets us up for further continuation to the upside, to be honest. Also down here on the MACD, we can see that the selling pressure is reducing, and maybe we'll get a turnaround here on the MACD line, which would be good, and we could expect a bullish cross there at some point. We can see the volume is picking up as well. Yeah, you can see that here. Volume is picking up. And on the 4-hour chart, we can also see now that we are going higher, you know, on the RSI again. And also the MACD line is still in the green range, losing a bit of steam now that we are retracing again after the nice move that we had yesterday. But overall, I think it's not looking too bad. We haven't seen that many green candles here for a while, to be honest. So it could really be that we've seen turnaround here. I did talk in previous videos about a bullish diversion here, which we've seen now play out as a return here into a potential uptrend, and I think it is an uptrend now because we have seen that 1 2 3 4 5 pattern. So overall not too bad, and that's where we are now. And I would expect further price increases, maybe first of all a little bit of continuation of that retracement could be possible because of that ABC correction that I've just shown you, which might play out. But overall, and that is also possible, we see here this bullish pennant from here, just a continuation to the upside. And zooming out, you know, that could be that we have just here a larger 1 2 3 4 5 pattern play out first. So you could expect here, for example, and that's just crudely drawn, a 1 2 3, and that would indicate we are still in the 3, or we actually haven't finished wave, or we've only just finished wave 1. There's also a possibility, to be honest, I haven't spent too much time here on counting, so we could expect something like that, maybe 1 2 3 4 5 to the upside. That'd be great, obviously, as part of this bullish pennant if that plays out. So that breakout, however, would be imminent, so there will be a decision coming soon. We're moving into the apex here at some point today. Hope you liked that update video about Bloktopia. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.